Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working with Claude Code and Antigravity. I do already have Antigravity opened up here, and I'm going to go to the second terminal I have over here to check if you actually do have Claude installed. All you got to do will be Claude space hyphen hyphen version, or you just do one hyphen v, and it's going to show you the version of Claude you do have installed. And to start it, just hit Claude. Alright, so over here, I do have the server running. The server is currently running. What I just did was npm run dev, and now it's running. So I'm gonna jump on to the browser and show you what's there. Okay, so we're about to start this. So Claude Code is running over here, and you know that this is Antigravity, the IDE we're actually using right now, the code editor, which is this one over here, Google's Antigravity. All right, cool. So this project, I'm just going to do Ctrl-J here just for a little bit to show you what's going on here. This is the page.tsx, the roots page. I'm going to do Ctrl-B to show you the Windows Explorer so you can see what's over here, or rather, it's just called the Explorer. I'm just going to walk you through it, go to the browser, show you how the project looks, and show you the things we're going to be doing today. So we're just going to be modifying a couple of things, making changes, but the difference here is that we are using both Antigravity and Claude Code. I think it's just very fascinating. All right, so let's go to the browser and see what we have. This is the browser and this is the project. This is one of the side projects I'm working on, one of my side businesses. So this is a website marketplace. So if you're a business owner, you actually need a website, you could just come on here, and depending on the niche or the business line, you could just find anything that suits you. If you like something here, you just reach out to us and you get it. All right, so this is the homepage of the website. I'm gonna go to, let's say we open this one up, view details, and you get to see a couple screenshots here to just give you a feel of how it is. On the other side you see the title of the website or the niche. You'll see a little bit of description, tags, you see features, you see technologies used, and here you see about this template. But I'm gonna change a couple of things here. All right, so, and you could just contact us ASAP. Hit this button and you can just contact us, and you're gonna get this website for your business. And here is the share button. If you hit the share button, you can copy that. Again, I just want to show you what this project is about, so once we start making changes, you're gonna know what changed and stuff like that. All right, so then you can actually preview the website. You can just hit preview and you can preview that website and go through it, all the pages and absolutely everything. It's really wonderful. All right, so what we're gonna do right now would be, and right here you do have the sticky header in this area where you can just click and still contact us. All right, so this is what this project looks like. We're gonna just jump on and make some changes. So I've written a couple of prompts that we're gonna be using for this video, so it's not gonna be so long. I'm just gonna go first to our code editor, and then I'm gonna open up Notepad. So we're gonna be working with this prompt first. Well, I think we're gonna use them side by side, have Claude Code running in one terminal, have Antigravity running as well. So I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna open up Claude Code. Ctrl-J if you're using a Mac OS, all you gotta do will be Command-J, right? So over here I'm gonna hit paste. All right, so for these prompts, what I want to do first here, just to explain that to you, would be this section over here. I do have the currency switcher, which is over here. You see, I'm gonna click on view price and I can actually change that. You see that I do have the currency switcher over here, so I don't need it over here again. So what I'm gonna do would be to take a screenshot, and I'm gonna do that with Window Shift S. Okay, press that together and take a screenshot here. All right, that's it. Then I'm gonna go back to the code, and if we're using the graphical user interface of Claude Code, you would have to do Ctrl-V to paste it, but for the terminal interface, all you gotta do would be Alt-V to paste it, and you're gonna see that the image here has been attached. So what are we saying here? I said I already have the currency switcher button in my header, and I don't need a repeat of it. So remove this entire section that shows up in the home page as seen in the screenshot. Okay, so over here, if you wanted to specify the page we're talking about, you just do @ and you type the page routes, but I'm just gonna leave it that way. So the next thing I want to do, because I'm gonna run this alongside the one I'm gonna write for Antigravity to do. So I think right now I do want to target, I want to make some changes in the templates detailed page, like I'm referring to this page. So let's open up anything over here. Let's say this one, click on view details, this page that gives more details about the website. This particular page, I want to make some changes here. So let's go read the prompts and then we'll make the changes. I'm going to do Ctrl J first, do Ctrl B to open up this, and it's going to be this page. Okay, so I'm going to come over here, collapse the Explorer, and I'm going to paste this prompt. Now, this is for anti-gravity, okay? And we're going to be using the fast mode over here. We don't need to plan anything. That's pretty all right to just go for it. So here I'm saying, let's make some changes in the templates detailed page, the animation, and I can just specify the page I'm talking about, which is this page actually. All right, because right here I could just search about this template. It's right there, so I know it's this page. So I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna say add this one. That's it. So let's make some changes in the templates detailed page. The animation effects, the transitions in and out, the pictures / slideshow from the left and right. I don't like it. Let's change it to something more visible, and it shouldn't be too quick. The animation effect of the pictures should be like a frame of cubes that have some depth with some gradient color. The transition should be subtle and visible. Remove the dates the template was published. It shouldn't be shown on the website. Where we have back to templates, change it to back to websites at the bottom of the page. Where we have about this template, change it to about this website. So here what we want to change would be, if I click on this, you're gonna see that you have the little transition effect. You see that? That looks cool. You can see from a previous video we implemented that, but I want to change it now to something else. Then over here, I don't want the date to be visible because it's gonna be confusing to clients. All right. Then where we have back to templates, I want to change to websites because some clients could be like, what's the difference between the templates and the websites? It's a website, okay? So I don't want any confusion. So over here we have about this templates. I'm gonna change to about these websites. All right, good. So we're done, and afterwards we're gonna make another change here as well, but let's just do this. So this one, Claude Code Antigravity, sorry, it's gonna handle this, and then Claude Code will handle the other one. So I'm gonna hit enter, and then I'm gonna come over here, open up my terminal, hit enter here as well. So the both of them are gonna do this together. So we'll just wait for them to be done, and we'll check it out. All right, so Claude Code is done and Antigravity is done. So we're gonna go check them out. Gonna go to the browser, and right here we can see, I'm gonna reload this page. This is changed back to websites. We don't have the dates anymore, so that's changed. And let's see over here about this website, that's changed. Then I'm gonna click here. Oh, look at that. Remember, our explanation was that the animation effect should transition as a frame of cubes. So look at that. That's quite cool. We're gonna keep doing more things, but I'm just gonna go back to the home page so we can see if Claude Code actually implemented the other part. All right, excellent. So here we go. We don't have this part anymore. We only have the currency switcher over here, and that's just very good. Good. All right, everything looks very nice. So the next thing I'm gonna do would be to open up my notepad. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna go to a browser and show us something. So I'm gonna open up any of this. Now the way we have the price over here, we want to have it be hidden as it is on the home page, just like this. So I'm gonna copy this, go back to a code, gonna paste this, hit enter, and I'm referring to the templates detail page. Alright, so Claude code is done. Gonna open up the browser. We're gonna go to any of these pages. Okay, over here we have view price, and now we can see it. Okay, that's good. That's fine. So finally, this is only available locally. So what we're gonna do would be to actually go to our code editor and push everything to GitHub, and I'm gonna use Claude Code to do that. Okay, so we're right in that prompt. So I'm gonna go to Claude Code and just do that. Let's merge the code we have in the front end features branch into the main branch, then commit the changes, resolve any Git conflicts, and push our code to GitHub. Hit enter. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. You can literally use Google Antigravity and Claude Code together and build projects. Like, share, and subscribe.